this? I want to do like a little clip for Instagram. Just...
One check.
Okay.
Check 1, 2, you see?
Yeah, I got it now. All right, cool.
Sí, check, 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 sí. Mira lo que te traje desde Colima, desde Colima. Mira lo que te traje desde Colima, desde Colima. Una peineta de oro, una para ti y otra para tu prima. Una peineta de oro, una para ti y otra para tu prima. Sí, sí, sí.
Okay. And guitar. Okay, and your vocal?
Tanto tiempo disfrutamos este amor, nuestras almas se acercaron, tanto así que yo guardo tu sabor, pero tú llevas también.
Okay. And the harp?
We need some more of that up here.
Need some more of that? Okay.
Say again.
Si negaras mi
Hold on 1 second. All right, go for it.
Si negaras mi presencia en tu vivir.
Patch
Very
baby.
good. Okay.
All right. Okay, and let me hear your vocal.
¿Dónde vas, Canelo, caramba, tan de madrugada? ¿Dónde vas, Canelo, caramba, tan de madrugada? A cortar lechuga, Canelo, para la ensalada. A cortar lechuga, Canelo, para la ensalada.
That 81 has a lot of low end buildup in it, doesn't it?
Because he's got it inside the picture.
Okay.
Jason,
Yep.
I'm going to move that mic, and you might want to put the high pass on that 81. Because the way it is in the instrument,
You're getting some feedback up here.
it's boiling.
Okay.
Take a step back. Step back.
Yeah, anytime you mic the sound on the bass.
Is that all right, Allie?
That's perfect.
Okay, try it again.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Better?
Yeah, that's better. Okay, you guys want to try something together?
Yes.
All right.
Not yet.
You made a decision to see something deep like what's wrong with that? Cut that one back 45. Nah, I seen that.
Mira lo que
More.
More harp and more bass, please. All the monitors, please.
Okay.
And if I can actually get a little bit more of the violins on my side, because I can't pause it.
All right.
Hey Jason, this side field's not going. It's not firing.
It's not.
No, so
Is it plugged in?
I'm taking it right now.
Dice que la hermana muere, pero mi amigo que va. Dice que la hermana muere, pero mi amigo que va. Pero no más nadie más
Jason,
Yeah.
put strings in the side fills and put bass in the side fills.
All right. I have some in there. I'll add a little bit
A
more.
little more. Now go. Yeah, you just heard that. Jason,
Yeah.
okay, in the side fills, turn the guitars down a bit
Okay.
and put the harp in there.
All right. And tap on that bass mic for me real quick. Okay. Play a little bass for me real quick. Yeah, I'm not getting much off that. I think that's about as much as I can give on the bass.
Can you put more in the fronts and less on the sides?
Yeah.
Because the sides are the ones that are squealing right now. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Okay, hang on.
Hold on, mute this.
Muted.
Mute it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think if you put more guitars in the front and less on the side fills, give it the harp in the side fills.
Raise your hand.
Okay.
Could be. All right, try it, Jason. That's better yet.
Still getting a little right.
Bird.
Yeah, it's right there.
I'm gonna pull back just a little bit.
Okay. Try to